All right, welcome back. So this should be kind of a short video. We're just going to talk about layers in Scratch. So I just have one character on here, but let's go ahead and we'll just use the surprise and keep adding another character. And we'll add another. And we'll add another. So this happens, you know, sometimes you get your characters where they're just kind of stacked on top of one another. And we'll actually keep this to 2 for right now. So we have these two characters. Over under looks, we have the ability to use this right here. It says go to front layer, go forward, or we can go revert backward. And you can bring that certain number of layers. So we'll try this first one here, and we will use, just drag spacebar out. So if I want the cat to go to the front layer, I can just hit the spacebar, and it's going to bring it to the front. So if I have multiples of these, and now I want to bring my cat forward, now I could go to the front layer and just jump all the way to there, but maybe let's actually have it go now to the back layer. And if I wanted to, we'll go ahead and drag another event out here, and we'll just use the A key. Now we can use this to say, well, let's have him go forward 1 layer. And we'll see if it's noticeable or not. Yep, you can kind of see that now it's in front of this character. And it's now in front of the guitar. You can see that its leg is in front of the guitar. And now it's in front of the athlete there, the player. So now you can see that we bring that forward. So you can use these layers, and you could have these in all these different characters, and depending on your code, you can have the character move forward, you can have it go back behind something. Perhaps you want it to move and go behind a screen off to the side. You could have it do that. And so the layers are really, really helpful. Okay, so they're down at, if you go to looks and you scroll down here, you have go to front layer and go forward 1 layer, and then you can adjust those as needed. And this is just kind of giving an example of how you can use it. And I'm sure you can find many ways to use this option in coding. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding. Good luck.